Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make double choco chip cookies using pan. This will be soft, will taste so good and will melt in your mouth. Let us start doing the cookies. The first step is creaming. For creaming I am going to use 1/3 cup of butter. To this add half a cup of powdered sugar. Start beating this. You need to get a creamy texture. Finally, it has to be creamy and smooth like this. Creaming is very important to get a soft cookie. Into this we are going to sieve and add 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Now give a nice mix. Mix everything well and gather the dough. You don't need to knead it. This is mixed well. To this let us add 2 tablespoons of choco chips. Give a nice mix again. Here the cookie dough is ready. Let us divide this into small parts. Now take one ball, make it smooth and press it. Don't make it so thin. One is ready, do the same for the other balls. Let us top this with some more choco chips. We are going to bake the cookies in a pan. I am going to use idli pan for it. Our first step is preheating. You have to heat the empty pan for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now place the idli plate inside the pan and arrange the cookies. Now cover this, keep the flame low and cook this for about 20 minutes. This is after 20 minutes, the cookies are ready. The cookies will be so soft and will taste so good. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.